Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. Today I'm going to talk about one common error when you are exporting the mesh from a SpaceClaim directly to the Fluent. So sometimes while going from SpaceClaim mesh to Fluent Solver, you probably getting some errors like the file has wrong dimensions or error object F. So today I'm going to talk about this common error. So this error actually comes in if 2D geometry is not in the XY plane. So please make sure that you have your 2D geometry in a SpaceClaim in the XY plane, this plane. Actually, by default, as you can see here, the default SpaceClaim draws a sketch in the XZ plane as you have it here. So Fluent doesn't accept it. It only accepts XY plane for 2D. So I will start to show you this error. So if I draw one simple geometry here in this XY plane, I can just simply rotate this one like this, and then so I'm working on XZ plane and we will see the error. So I will just create a very simple rectangular and type the dimensions like this one 15 by 30 millimeter, then create my surface here. Then I will go to the mesh tab. So if you don't have this tab here, we have a video you can find in our channel, but for just short look, you can go to the SpaceClaim options, and then under the customize here, you can go to this ribbon tabs, and then you need to activate the mesh here. So I have this mesh tab here. Then I actually activate the mesh here by pressing on, and then I will give two size, first here and here. Then I will select by holding the control, type 30 here. So this is 30, and then click on this one and this one, and then reduce this size to 15. So now I can actually go here and then press on add edit and then select this surface. So then I will press on this tick, and then as you can see, one blocking will be created here. So now if so I can go to this workbench tab and then select the mesh to solver. So I'm transferring this mesh to solver. So we need to wait for a few seconds and start with this one. So we will wait for a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, I have one error here, error reading. The mesh file has wrong dimensions, and this error object here F. So I've write it here so you can see this error. And as I said, this error because we create our sketch in the XZ plane, but Fluent will not accept the mesh in this plane. So we need to create actually our 2D geometry in the XY plane, then actually the Fluent will be accepted. So I will go through that one. Now I just close the Fluent. Then I can create another SpaceClaim here. So I will use a Control N to create this one. So this time I will go to the sketch and then use this rectangular, select the XY plane as you see here, then a plan view. I will create the same actually rectangular 15 by 30 millimeter. Press enter. Again I will go to the mesh tab, and then before that I need to create the surface. So I have this surface. Now I will go to the mesh tab, activate the meshing tool and add two sizing, select this one and this one, type 30 millimeter, press enter, and then these two horizontal one, type here 15, and then press enter. Now again I will use this add or edit, select this plane and then press to create our actually mesh. You can see here, and this time it is in the XY plane, as you can see in these two area. Then again I will go to workbench, select Fluent, and then mesh tool solver, and wait for a few seconds to open. Okay, so as you can see, this time this geometry actually transfers successfully here to the Fluent, so I can display the mesh, and as you can see, this 2D geometry simply transferred from the ANSYS SpaceClaim, the mesh tools, directly to the ANSYS Fluent. So just notice that you need to actually have the XY plane for the 2D geometry, and then Fluent will accept it if it is in the XY plane. So that's it all for these tips. So thanks for watching.